Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, y'all, I am going to be putting some Flexi rods in my hair. Okay, this is what I want to do. Okay. This is what I want to do. I want to do blue at the top and purple at the bottom, right? So if you guys don't know, As I Am came out with some new curl colors. And they have so many. I've done the red one. I did it on my Instagram and TikTok. I'm pretty sure you guys saw the red. But now I want to try out the blue and the purple, y'all, together. I mentally kind of know what I want, but like, I don't know 100%. I feel like it's going to work. So what I want to do is I want to put the blue at the top, right? Well, actually the blue all the way down, but I'm not going to concentrate on the ends. And then I'm going to go back in with the purple, but only on the ends. And I decided to use Flexi rods this time, and I got so many, y'all. But I decided to use Flexi rods this time just because they're so long, so that the colors don't like overlap. You know what I'm saying? Like, so we can really get that ombre effect. I'm hoping it come out right, but I don't know. This is just some old hair, y'all. All you gotta do is blow your hair out, and that's it. I'm gonna get something to detangle my hair, y'all, because my hair is, yeah, a little matted, a lot matted. Like, it's so bad, it's so bad. I really haven't combed my hair in like a week. So I'm gonna just go handle that, and I'm gonna be back, because I feel the judgment coming from your soul right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go comb my hair and get my hair all, you know, nest-like, and then I'll be back. All right, y'all, so I have sectioned off my hair. I have 4 sections, and I just have a little section in the back because that's where we're gonna start. Now I am gonna be putting on some gloves because this stuff does get everywhere, which is why I am in my bathroom, y'all, because you just don't want to be around like carpets and stuff. Yes, it washes right out. However, who feel like cleaning it up? So I recommend being in the bathroom when you're doing this and having gloves on. It does wash right off of your hands, but put some on. I'm gonna start off with the blue one. This is the Cool Blue, and this is a color enhancing color gel, and it provides a medium hold. So y'all, when I did my hair with this, when I did it with the perm rod set, the hold was so perfect. I was blown away. So I'm kind of excited about this, and it lasts 1 wash. So when you wash it out, it's gone. The color is gone. Bye-bye. So anyway, this is what we're gonna start off with, you guys. It looks like that, and it smells great. Actually, I love the scent of their colors, their hair colors. All right, so I'm gonna just put some of the color on the roots and stuff. The blue is applied, as y'all can see. That's the blue. I feel like this is gonna take a lot of napkins in between use because I don't wanna get all the blue in the purple, you know? And the purple is called Passion Purple, and it looks like this. Let's do it. We're gonna put the purple on the ends. I'm gonna take my rod, and I'm gonna start by rolling it around, rolling my ends around. I'm gonna put some more purple in there. I'm just going to alternate between blue and purple. I don't know, I just want to see what that's gonna look like. So that's what we're gonna do. So I am finally done with all of the rods. As you can see, my hair is pretty blue. I did want more blue than the purple because the blue, it just looks so good, you guys. It looks so pretty. So I am gonna sit under the dryer and I'm gonna sleep in this overnight. And then tomorrow I'm gonna come back and we're gonna take it down and we are going to see the final result. Hey y'all, so it is the next day and I still haven't showered yet, so like don't come for me. However, I didn't want to take this sweater off over this because these things are tight a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna just take these out and then we're gonna get to that and then I'm gonna come back. So I just want to show y'all the takedown. I took one down in the back. It looks promising. Now I did sit under the dryer for like 30 minutes just because I wanted to make sure everything was nice and sealed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take these bad boys out. Wait. My hair is so long because it's straight that I'm just like, oh, okay. These are kind of long, but they're cute. Look how cute this is, y'all. What? Look at that. So I'm not gonna separate them yet. I always like to take my Flexi rods out and then let them kind of sit and set and dry and then separate them. So I'm just gonna take these out, make sure they're going the right way. One thing I want to tell you guys is, first and foremost, yes, you are going to see color as you're taking these down. You're gonna get some transfer. All right, I'm back. Ooh, look at my hair, y'all. It looks so good. I am filming in 4K, you guys, and my memory cards are just, they keep getting full, so it keeps cutting off on me, so I don't know where I stopped. However, I am loving how my color came out. I love how it's like peekaboo purple, like under here, in here, there. I actually didn't think you could see the purple, but you can really see the purple and you can see the blue. Now I do have a middle part, but I could make it a bang if I want, but I think my bangs have come to an end. So I'm just gonna pick it out. I'm just gonna use this to just pick it out at the roots, make it nice and big. So before my camera cut off when I was picking out my hair, but I was gonna let you guys know that I was gonna wear my hair out for a little bit and then come back so that you can see that the color kind of lasts. Now, y'all, I fell asleep. That last clip that I showed you guys was filmed, I wanna say, 6 hours ago. I actually went out and then fell asleep, and now I'm back to show y'all what my hair looks like. So I went ahead and wrapped my edges up or whatever. It is really late. Like, it is 4:12 in the morning, you guys. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. Color is still super duper vibrant. When I'm out and about, you can definitely tell it's blue, okay? But it's so subtle and nice. It's so pretty, y'all. It's so pretty. Like, you think it's pretty on the camera, but in person, it's so cute. So all I did was I just slicked my edges down. I'm gonna rock a middle part. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. But this color came out so good. As you guys saw, I used the cool blue and the passion purple. Now you can see the purple and the blue in my hair. There's just a hint of purple and I really like that. I don't think I would use the whole purple because I just love how the purple mixes with the blue. It just gives it so much like dimension and it's super cute. But my hair feels so good. I love using these as like just a gel, y'all. So I know a lot of you guys have a question about transfer and just a few tips that I love. First of all, do not use a lot of product. It's just like gel, y'all. So if you use a lot of hair product, what's gonna happen? It's gonna flake, it's gonna look weird. So do not go ham on these products. You do not need a lot, especially if you're doing perm rod sets. Perm rod sets, they overlap one another. So once you keep wrapping, the color from the top is going to kind of transfer onto like the whole strand of curl. I hope that makes sense, y'all. I know that was a little confusing. But if you have a perm rod, it's really small, so your hair overlaps. But once you have a flexi rod, depending on how you wrap it around the flexi rod, it can go all the way down. So you'll probably need more product if you're using a Flexi rod as opposed to a perm rod set. However, you do not want to use a lot of product. You want to also brush that product through, get all the additional products off of your hair because you do not want it to be flaky, crummy, or anything like that. But this product is so nice. I also recommend not using this with any other product. Make sure your hair is dry before you use it because that's just gonna minimize transfer. I'm not saying that you cannot use it on wet hair. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying for minimizing transfer, try to use it on dry hair because to me it works a little better as far as transfer. Also, when you are wrapping your hair around the rod, when you are done wrapping the hair, take a paper towel and just put the paper towel over it so that you can get additional product off of the rod. Once it's rolled up, you don't want to see a lot of color just kind of seeping through. That's just too much product. So keep those tips in mind if you are trying to use any type of hair color. But it is so fun, y'all. These bad boys are less than $10 a piece, y'all, and I don't use a whole jar for my head. I did not use this entire blue, which I shouldn't even have used this much blue, honestly. I really was going in, but I definitely have a whole nother install. So you can probably get, with my length of hair, as much hair as I got, I can get 2 uses out of this bad boy, which is cool. But if I was to do like highlights or just on the ends, you can get more use. Of course, I did my whole head. And I did my whole head with the red as well. So I'm gonna take my scarf off because I bet y'all like, girl, take it off. We want to see your ears. Okay, girlfriend. I'll take it off. All right, y'all. So this is what it is looking like. Like I said, y'all, I went to sleep on this bad boy. I was like, but it's still super cute. And I love this, y'all. Oh my goodness. I'm about to show out just because I like it so much. Now, I can't wait till it gets bigger, but my hair was a little bit straighter than normal. So, you know, there's that. But it is so cute. The blue has stayed. It has not been coming off on my hands a lot. And I have worn this. It's not on my pillowcase. Now, I will say the red, it definitely transfers a lot more than the blues or the purples or anything like that. Even if you dye your hair red, when you're washing your hair, you still see red every time you wash. So, like, red is just a color that just, it is what it is. But it's so pretty, and I'm so happy that I could collaborate with As I Am for this video. If you want to see more colors, please let me know in the comment section below because, you know, brands like to respond if you guys are engaged and let them know what you want to see. So if you guys want to see more colors from me, let me know in the comment section below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.